Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the most asked interview question for a DevOps engineer in Docker. That is, what is the difference between CMD and entry point? So basically, I have given many interviews and most of the time I was asked what is the difference between CMD and entry point. So I would like to share the differences so you can answer them properly. So CMD and entry point are written in Dockerfile. So what's the main thing which they do? So when the container starts, then only these command execute. Okay, at the when the container launches on launching. So please remember that on when the container launches, then only these command will be executed. And the run command, when you build the Docker file, then this command will be executed. So this is the most important difference between run and CMD. So let us now look at what is CMD and the entry point. So suppose you have written a Docker file from Alpine. This is the base image and run apk add python. So while building the container, this command, this python image will be added while building the image when you docker build it. So here we have written the cmd google.com, and entry point is the ping c7. So by default, when the container launches, then it will ping google.com 7 times by default. Okay, so when you run docker and suppose your image meg version 1, now it will be by default pinging google.com. And now if you want to change it, if you want to ping facebook.com, then in the command line itself you get the option to change the ping to facebook.com. So this is the command to change the ping. So now it will be pinging facebook.com. So that is what is the difference between CMD and entry point. Like CMD is the option, like you can change it from the command line. From this command you can change what you want to ping. So that basically you can give anything which you want to change. Like there's a tomcat image you want to change, there's a web server file you want to change, then you can change it. So like by default it will be executing google.com, but if you want to change it to anything else, then you can use this command docker run command, and this will be executed.